The vacuum crunch. So here we need to suck in our stomach as we exhale. And we're trying to slowly breathe into the top of our chest and actively tense our core. And we're going to repeat this a few times. So we suck in, tense, and breathe into the top of our chest. And we want to try to hold it as long as we can. Keeping that core sucked in, tensing. And then we can relax. So let's add that crunch now. So we suck in, exhale as we reach forward. And we're trying to tap the top of our knees here. And you should be getting a really solid contraction in your core.